Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the wet look. I've already done a video on the wet look, but this is just an updated wet look tutorial. Last time I just used the Eco Styler, I just used the Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel, but this time I'm going to be using this gel and the Wetline Extreme Gel, plus the Got To Be Glue, what is this, blasting freeze spray. So I'm going to be using all three of these together just for a little extra hold. I did already do this hairstyle a few months back, and it held up like for the whole night without shrinking or anything. So yeah, if you'd like to see this tutorial, then keep on watching. First, I'm just going to start off by sectioning my hair like I always do. I like to work in sections. It just makes it easier. So I'm going to go ahead and put this away. Go ahead and section this part out. So this is the size that I'm going to be working with. Alright, so you're going to need those items plus a spray bottle and then a detangling brush. So you can use a Denman brush or whatever brush you have just to make sure that your hair is extra smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and just wet that section. I'm going to make sure it's nice and wet. And then I'm going to be using a leave-in. So the leave-in I'm using is the Miss Jessie's leave-in condition. And you don't really need a lot. I'm just going to use that much and rub it throughout that section. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with, let me grab a towel. I'm going to go in with my Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. I'm going to take some of that and go ahead and apply it to that section. Starting at the roots and working my way down. Make sure everything is getting nice and smooth. Alright, so then I'm going to go in with the Wetline Extreme Gel. I'm going to take some of that and put it on top. And now I'm going to go in with my Denman brush. So, this is what it should look like. Try and turn around so you guys can see. But now I'm going to go ahead and add some more to flatten the root part. And just press it down. I'm going to take my brush again and just brush that down. So this is what it should look like. And I'm going to go ahead and do that same thing to the rest of my hair. And I'm going to kind of brush it back. Just to get it ready to be going in that direction. And then I'm going to go in with that Eco Styler Gel again. And just make sure I'm pushing like the hairs back and not pushing it down to the side. I'm going to go in with the wet line now. Make sure everything is nice and flat. right now my hair kind of looks crazy because my edges aren't done. But we're gonna go ahead and fix that really quick. Make sure it's all pushed to the back. All right, so now I'm just gonna show you guys. Now I'm just gonna do my edges. All right. Okay, so we got that one section done. I'm just gonna go ahead and clip it to the bottom so that it kind of stays. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and do this side and I'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and finished this side. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some of that Got To Be glue just on the top, like by my edges and stuff. I already did that side. And I'm just gonna smooth it over. And then I'm gonna go ahead and tie my hair down with a scarf. But let me just show you guys the back. Hey guys, so it's not completely dried, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off. Ooh, this is what it's looking like. I was over there doing that freaking Meg Thee Stallion remix challenge, so my hair is like all messed up. But if you are moving around like me, get this off. This is what it's gonna look like. I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.